All right, talking weather, and I know that we are preparing for what could be a really messy Tuesday, but already you're seeing some cool visuals out there.
Yeah, I'm taking you out to our Cedar Hill camera because we can see some of those low clouds moving in. This is as some showers and thunderstorms move in from our west. So that's what I'll be tracking for the afternoon. And I want to show you this. Tarrant County already seeing a few little showers out there, especially along the western edge. Parker County, you are already seeing some heavy rain, mainly south of Interstate 20, but I'm keeping a close eye on Granbury. Right now, it looks like this storm could be producing penny-sized hail. This is not a warned storm. In order for a thunderstorm to be severe, it has to contain quarter-size hail or larger, and I'm not seeing that. And this one's winds likely closer to about 40 miles per hour, but it is moving towards the east at about 35 miles per hour, and we'll be watching this closely, moving into Godley closer to about midday. This is all part of a big cluster of thunderstorms. Notice how scattered they are. There's no great organization to this. I'm not expecting the severe weather with this round. The brief heavy rainfall, yeah, that'll be possible throughout the afternoon. Look at how this moves in. Between now and 3 in the afternoon, you kind of slowly see it progressing east into the rest of North Texas. So plan on the rain this afternoon. We'll continue to see the scattered shower and thunderstorm activity through the afternoon rush hour. So likely going to be a messy commute home. Likely going to be soggy picking up the kids from school. So again, keep that in mind. This eventually thins out after sunset. I'm showing you about 10 p.m. You can still see a few showers in the area, but really not looking at too much in the way of coverage. We have our WFA weather alert day Tuesday starting at 9 in the morning until 3 with the strongest of storms. Not every storm, but the strongest of storms could contain up to quarter-size hail, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. What most of us will see is the brief periods of heavy rainfall in the area. WFAA Plus is the best way to stay updated. We can stream to you from your smart TV. We have our severe weather outlook as a level 2 or slight risk for Tuesday. This mostly during the afternoon hours. And this is for Parker, Tarrant, Dallas, Hood, Kaufman County towards the south. Most of North Texas included in that slight level 2 risk, and also included in a flood watch. This will be in place beginning Tuesday morning, lasting through the afternoon. This is for rain totals of 1 to 3, but isolated to up to 4. Most of us getting close to about the 1-inch range. But let me show you this. This is going into tonight. Tomorrow morning at 7, scattered showers in the area, so you'll likely see some rain during your morning drive. But by around 9, that's when our WFA weather alert day goes into place. We'll see a few thunderstorms along our western counties. Those storms do eventually close in on the I-35 corridor around midday with high coverage of rain. We're looking at about 90% coverage. Mostly everyone will see the rain tomorrow. And then into the afternoon, a lot of this moves to the east and thins out. I'm showing you 3 in the afternoon, and we'll start to see some clearing, but some lingering showers still. The heavy rain will be pushing east at this point, and that kind of lingers through about the evening, but most of the severe weather threat will have been out of the area. Again, close to about 1 inch of rain for most of us. Higher totals closer to 2 from Dallas County towards the east. Portions of East Dallas could see close to about 3-4 inches of rain. Our 14-day forecast showing a drier Wednesday, and then we'll see a couple more rounds of rain Thursday, Friday. I'm not looking at a severe weather threat just yet with those. And then over the weekend, dry weather. Mother's Day weekend, upper 70s with sunshine, and warmer next week with drier weather. We'll be back.